When it comes to lav mics, it's always best to keep things simple. To that end, Shure has just released a new series of lavs called MoveMics. These are tiny, ultralight clip-on lavalier microphones aimed at content creators looking to get professional-grade, broadcast-quality audio with the least amount of hassle. Now there's a few different configurations of MoveMics you can buy, but in this video, we're going to be covering the MoveMic 2 receiver kit. So let's start things off by looking at what you'll find inside the box. You've got your two wireless lavs with a charging case that provides a full 24 hours of operation between charges, a wireless receiver, two USB-C cables, and a 3.5mm cable, all in this nifty little carrying case that rolls up and can be conveniently tucked away with the rest of your gear. The lavs themselves are very small and have been purposely designed to have an especially discreet form factor, making them easy to conceal. The mics have an omnidirectional pickup pattern, so no matter which orientation you choose, the mic will still pick up your voice clearly. You have a few options when it comes to where to record your audio. You can directly connect the mics to your phone via Bluetooth using the Shure Motive app, where you can configure gain, limiters, compression, noise reduction, and EQ with the tap of a thumb. You can also utilize the included dual-channel MoveMic receiver for additional compatibility with any third-party apps on mobile devices. The receiver features an easy-to-navigate menu system and can run up to 8 hours on a single charge at normal RF and up to 7 hours at high RF power. Lastly, you can hook up the receiver to any camera or computer with a 3.5mm audio jack. So yeah, they look like mics, but how do they sound? Well, you might have already noticed I've been wearing one of these little guys throughout the entire presentation. But maybe studios aren't really your thing, so why don't we head out somewhere with a bit more noise and see what these mics sound like paired with just my phone. Alright guys, Erica and I are mic'd up with our Shure MoveMics, and we are on our way to the B&H store to test out how these microphones work out in a public environment. So let's do it.
Let's go.
Alright, we're here in the store. There's people all around us. And both mine and Erica's mics are hooked up to my phone through Bluetooth and the Shure Motive app. We also have the noise reduction setting on to be drowning out any of the extraneous background noise we've got going on here. And any other settings that we want to change can be done just by whipping out the phone. It's that easy. What's your favorite part of the store and why is it the conveyor belts?
The conveyor belts are so amazing. Not only are they the perfect shade of green, but they make a fun little whirling sound.
There it goes. Well, look what we found here. It's these little Shure MoveMics already here at the store. No trip to B&H would be complete without the candy.
You can't beat B&H candy.
The MoveMics bring direct-to-phone recording and complete camera connectivity together in a handy package for the modern creator. They're extremely portable, easy to hide on your subject, and have a long battery life, making them suitable for all-day shooting in a studio and, if you're any better at vlogging than we are, out in the field as well. But I want to know what you have to say, so be sure to let me know what you think of the new Shure MoveMic 2 receiver kit in the comments down below. For now, I'm Sam with B&H, and I'll see you next time.